In this video, I'm going to show you how to add people on Telegram. To get you started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Telegram on your device and make sure you're signed in to your Telegram account. Now in here, just go ahead and head over to that specific user whom you want to add on Telegram. Now in here, just go ahead and click on the number of this user that you'll find at the top of your screen. Now in here, just go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen, these three dots at the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find the option to add this user to your contacts. So just go ahead and click on the add to contacts button. Now create a name such as first name and last name for this user and go ahead and click on the done button once you're done creating a name for this user on your contacts. Once you save this individual to your contacts, you'll be able to find this individual to your contact list by heading back to the Telegram homepage and clicking on the contacts button. So in here, you'll be able to find this specific user that you've added on Telegram. Another way to add users on Telegram is to use the search button. And in this section, you'll need to enter the mobile number of that user that you want to add or the name of that user that you want to add. So for example, I want to add an individual named Stephanie. So I'll just go ahead and click on the result that states that this individual is the one that I want to add. And in here, go ahead and click on the name of this user. Once you click on the name of this user, you'll be able to find information about this user. So go ahead and click on the add to contacts to be able to add this user on Telegram. So go ahead and create a name for this user and click on the done button to save this user as one of your friends on Telegram. And that's how you can simply add friends on Telegram. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.